how to buy coins or phantom wallets on your laptop. Now after you install the phantom wallet on your browser, click on it. Now as you can see, you can buy directly. Just click on buy. Now after that, select one of these coins. Now after you select one of them, for example the Ethereum. Now after that, click on the amount that you want to buy. For me, I will buy 100 USD. Now if you want to know how much you will receive of Ethereum if you pay $100, just click on this and you will see how much of Ethereum you will receive. Now for example, you can expand or increase the amount of USD. As you can see here, you can select 100 to 500 to $1,000. Now after you enter the amount of USD that you want to buy, just click on buy, and after that you will select one of the providers that it will show you, and now you can buy Ethereum on your phantom wallet. Now the other way is, for example, you receive a crypto or coins from a different or another wallet like Bybit or Bitget or Binance. Now after you receive that crypto in your phantom wallet, what you want to do, now just click on swap. Now enter how much you want to buy, like 1 or 10 or whatever. Now select the crypto that you want to buy. For me, I will select like bonk. Now as you can see here, if I pay 10 SOL, I will receive this amount of bonk. Now as you can see here, this is the information. As you can see how much and the price that you will receive if you reload or refresh it. Now after that, click on review order, and after that you can confirm the order, and now you will buy the coin on your phantom wallet. So this is how to buy coin on your phantom wallet and laptop. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.